ExoShield is the kind of protection you appreciate after the first rock hits your windshield. Today, we're installing it on this Dodge Durango SRT. And stay with us, because we also found something unexpected on the paint. ExoShield is an 8mm PET windshield protection film designed to help absorb the impact from rocks and road debris before they hit your glass directly. It adds up to 6 times more resistance against impacts compared to unprotected windshields, helping reduce chips, cracks, and costly windshield replacements while keeping excellent optical clarity. The material is amazing, but honestly, installation matters just as much as the film itself. ExoShield is not easy to install properly. It takes real experience to avoid creases, contamination, and imperfections, especially on modern windshields with complex curves. In fact, if you go directly to the official ExoShield installer locator, you'll see that only a limited number of shops are highlighted as certified professionals. Looking for an official installer is never a waste of time because in the long term, it can save you money, avoid misunderstandings about warranties, and help ensure you get the results you actually expect. A high-end film only performs as good as the installation behind it. ExoShield is not indestructible, but think about everything your windshield accumulates over the years. Scratches, rock chips, road debris, and constant wear from daily driving. The film is designed to take that abuse first, helping preserve the original glass underneath. Then, once the film shows too much wear, you simply replace the film and restore the clarity and appearance of a newer windshield, without dealing with the full cost and inconvenience of replacing the actual windshield. Most people think about windshield damage only when a crack appears. But the reality is that visibility is slowly affected by dozens of small things over time. Tiny rock chips, sand abrasion, dirty wipers, road debris, automatic car washes, salt, and even ice scraping can leave fine marks on the glass. Little by little, those imperfections build up and begin affecting clarity, especially at night or under direct sunlight, creating distractions in your line of vision while driving. Then there are the bigger impacts. A strong rock at highway speed can easily chip or crack a windshield. ExoShield is not indestructible, but it gives your windshield up to 6 times more impact resistance, helping absorb and distribute the force before it reaches the glass directly. That means a much better chance of preventing serious damage and extending the life of your windshield. Not all windshields are the same. Flat and upright windshields like the ones on the Ford Bronco, some Jeep models, and the Mercedes G-Wagon are naturally more exposed and vulnerable to rock chips because of their angle and design. They take impacts much more directly compared to more aerodynamic vehicles. On the other side, modern curved windshields can be much more difficult to install correctly because every curve, edge, and sensor area requires precision to avoid distortion, contamination, or lifting over time. So, is it really worth it? Absolutely. When you think about your daily visibility, driving comfort, protection against impacts, and the cost of replacing modern windshields, ExoShield becomes a smart long-term investment, not just an accessory. And here's the bonus part of this video. We found a pretty deep scratch on the fender, and we're going to show you how we safely remove it the right way using proper paint correction techniques. Measuring the paint thickness is extremely important because it tells us how safely we can work on that scratch. Once we know there is enough clear coat to correct it, we start with careful wet sanding to level the damaged area before moving into machine buffing and polishing. For the buffing stage, we use a micro-cut pad with the right compound combination to refine the sanding marks, remove the remaining defect, and bring clarity and gloss back to the paint. This step has to be controlled and precise, because the goal is to correct the scratch without removing more clear coat than necessary. After the correction, we apply ceramic coating over that section to add protection back to the paint. In this case, the scratch was deep, but not deep enough to require repainting the fender. With the right process, the damage is removed safely and the paint gets its clean finish back.